In this video, I'll show you how to use the NetSuite agent to pull in any of your NetSuite reports or save searches into your spreadsheet. First, you'll want to open up Coefficient as an extension. Now you want to go to Import From and select the NetSuite agent, which I've already set up. Now you just need to paste in a URL of any of your reports or save searches or datasets. Here I'm switching my tab over to my NetSuite. I'm going to go and find a standard financial report, maybe a balance sheet. Let's say I want this view. All I need to do is take the URL and copy and paste it into here. And there it is. We can see that our data has populated with a balance sheet. What's also important to note is that when you're using the NetSuite agent, you do need to make sure that your NetSuite is logged on in the same instance. So you won't be able to set up an auto refresh unless it is logged on in the same browser. Hope that helps.